Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased Qlu.com reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video as in next few seconds I am going to share all the facts associated with this shopping website. Also through this video, I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website and you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Qlu.com offers Gua Sha facial lifting tool and depuffing facial roller. So guys, these are the only two products that are available on this website. Now before proceeding further guys, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the payment options available are Amex, Apple Pay, Discover, JCB, MasterCard and Visa. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time is directly stated. Here they have stated that international delivery usually takes 16 to 24 business days. For nationwide orders, usually 2 to 4 weeks are required to arrive at their destination. While guys, here we can see that shipping charges are not specified. Therefore, let's proceed to look on return refund policies. So here we can see that the return policy lasts for 30 days, which means you have 30 days after receiving your item to request a return. And refund will be initiated in the original payment method. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that no information related to cancellation is provided on the official website. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Qlu.com uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit, therefore let's check the registration details. So guys, the domain name of Qlu.com was created on 20 June 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Also guys, a shopping website created less than 4 months ago is too new and potentially suspicious. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page we can see that company's contact number and an email ID is provided, which is help@Qlu.com. But here we can see that nowhere office address is stated. Also guys, Qlu.com lacks presence on social media platforms. Now let's proceed to talk on Qlu.com reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here on the official website you will see that there are many positive reviews where customers have stated that depuffing facial roller is a great product. But guys, here the biggest problem is the fact that the domain name is too new. It was registered just a couple of days ago. This makes it almost impossible, of course, for a super new website to open the business, promote its services, convince clients to acquire them, then use the product and then take the time to submit the reviews online. All of these happened in just few days. Hence, these reviews seems to be highly suspicious. But still I gave Qlu.com the benefit of doubt and tried to find out the customer reviews over the internet on other reliable sites. And in my research, I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered here. What I found was that The trust index of the website is just 1%, which is extremely poor. Addition to this, Qulu.com is ranked 0 among million of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank, which again is a negative highlight, which again makes this website to be highly suspicious. So guys, lack of company's address, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, unauthentic customer reviews makes us to doubt the legitimacy of this website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website or wait for a while till it gains popularity and positive feedbacks from customer, because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about Qulu.com reviews. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, because after all we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from a scam. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.